Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 2024 Nissan Altima is a mid-size sedan that offers a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and good fuel economy. It starts at $26,000 for the base S trim and goes up to $36,840 for the range-topping SRVC turbo trim. There are 5 trim levels available: S, SV, SR, SL, and SRVC Turbo. All trims come standard with a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine that produces 188 horsepower and 180 pounds-to-feet of torque. The SRVC Turbo trim gets a more powerful 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 248 horsepower and 273 pounds-to-feet of torque. Both engines come standard with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. Altima is available with front-wheel drive, FWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD. AWD is only available on the SR and SL trims. Altima comes standard with a good amount of features, including LED headlights, Bluetooth connectivity, a 7-inch touchscreen display, and the Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite of driver assistance features. Higher trim levels add features such as a sunroof, a Bose sound system, leather seats, and a navigation system. Overall, the 2024 Nissan Altima is a good choice for mid-size sedan shoppers who are looking for a comfortable, spacious, and fuel-efficient car. It's not the most exciting car in its class, but it offers a good value for the price. Comfortable ride, spacious interior, good fuel economy, standard safety features available. AWD. Not as sporty as some competitors' infotainment system can be slow. Some interior materials feel cheap. If you're considering buying a 2024 Nissan Altima, be sure to test drive it back-to-back with other mid-size sedans in its class to see which one you like best. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.